Hello, how's everybody doing? This is V Cubert, and I'd like to go through and do a Hypercam 2 tutorial. First thing you need, of course, is Hypercam. So, you go to your Hypercam, or www.hyperonics.com/hc/ right there. That's what you want to type in. And then you'll download, click download version 2, and you'll click on either 32-bit or 64-bit, depending on your operating systems. Now, how you find your operating systems, you go to the Start menu, Control Panel, click on Systems and Security, Systems, and under System Type, it'll show your operating system, 64-bit, right there. That's how you figure that out. Okay, and the next thing you want to do is go get the Logarith lossless codecs, which shoots pretty much in the best quality you can get, in maintaining not too ridiculously file size. It's basically the smallest lossless codec you can get, so far as I found so far, and it works very well. It doesn't take up too much system requirements. Okay, and then you'll download this, and then you'll go to the times 64, that's the MP4 format, and download the appropriate version for you, which is this one. It says download latest version. That'll give you the 32-bit version. If you want the 64-bit version, depending on your operating system again, and also what Hypercam 2 version you downloaded, they got to match up now, or it won't show up in your options. And for 64-bit, you type on this one that says 64 at the end. And then I add this in there just in case someone might need it to record your voice. You need Audacity here, which is and you can download the latest version there. Okay, now let's go to how to configure these codecs inside Hypercam. Okay, so I'm here at Hypercam now. And what you want to do is you go in here's options, and you'll click on, see, there's Logarith, and then there's times 264 codec. Now, the 264 codec, this is how you configure it for best quality. Presets, you go ultra fast, 0 latency, right there. You can click this rate factor. I click on highest quality. I'm not quite sure what this means, but I just clicked on high quality for this one. These other ones, those are what you need, but this rate factor, I'm not quite sure on that one. And then this will be the same. And then on debug, you put none. And then you click OK. Now for the Logarith lossless codecs, you can configure this compressor. Use multi-threading, and you want the YV12 setting right there. Okay. Now, here you could set your, I like to leave iconized Hypercam, so when you press the record, it'll just go away. And then on your hotkeys here, you could choose whatever you like. An AV file, I use a external hard drive. Add sequential number to the file, which is great. Easy to keep track of things. Rates for frame per second, go 30 on this. For starters, click 1 for the frame capture ratio, keyframes every 100 frames. And then your frame compression quality, you can start that out as 100. Now, when you're recording something, there's many ways, if the video is choppy or your computer can't handle it at 30 and 100%, there's many ways to fix this problem. The first thing you can do is see how the game here is minimized. You could play the game minimized, and that really fixes. Then you go to Screen and select Region, and you can just click right there, and it'll capture it like that. That's one way to have an easy way to capture without degrading your settings on there. We'll try that real quick. See how it's back to game. We're doing that. Alright. And then I'll stop recording and I'll click play. And let's see the quality here. See that? Really good quality there, as you can see. And that's, you only want to minimize it like this instead of full screen if your computer can't handle those settings. But if you don't want to play in that minimized view of your game, whichever game you're playing, well, you can just change these things, your compression rate and your frame rate. You can keep lowering these down to whatever you want, say 5, 10, 15, whatever you want. And you can keep that. You can play with both of these settings, but you can try one. I would keep this at 30, like really, keep it at 30 or 24, the minimum. And you can play it, and then just go, like if you can't handle this, go to 24 frames. And then if it still isn't like smooth, you could take this down to 95, then 90, then 85. I wouldn't personally go lower than 85 because then the video starts looking just crap, basically. But, and then if you can't go higher than 85, then your computer probably just can't handle it. And yeah, your computer just probably can't handle it. Like on my laptop, for instance, that thing's horrible. It's old, and I can't even use Hypercam 2 on it. It's just crazy. I can't even hardly play Minecraft on that computer. It's on the tiny settings. It's so bad. All right, and that's pretty much how you use Hypercam 2 in the settings for to get the best quality. But it's not actually a game recorder. I'm just doing that as a way to record it as a game recorder. If you don't want to buy Bandicam, which is my other favorite, which is my favorite paid one that I have, and it's a lot better at computer resources and everything. Okay, thank you for watching.